This is Sai Pranendra from SQL School. This is regarding a new batch update on our practical step-by-step classes. I have been into these trainings and IT technology stream for more than 19 years. I assure you, complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics, right from the scratch. Come on, let's get into the details of our course. Before that, whom we are. At SQL School, we have been a preferred training partner for good number of MNCs across the globe. We are into step-by-step classes, and hence we are able to make a good positive impact in learning process across various verticals in IT industry, right from petrochemicals to we have retail, banking, and investment sectors. This particular Power BI course is strength and profile-based activities with awesome examples, concept-based deliverables, concept-based FAQs, project solutions, and moreover, a carefully curated one-to-one resume. This Power BI course is for you. That involves visual analytics, dashboarding, big data analytics, and what not, right from flat file sources to cloud database technologies, everything that you need for your day-to-day job work. And what about the new batch? Yes, this particular short session is about informing you, bringing to your kind notice about the new batch upcoming in a short period of time in next few days. In our classes, we'll be having the step-by-step activities right from MS SQL classes. We start with databases. We start from the scratch. Why we need database, why we need SQL, why we need queries. And from there, we slowly step into Excel analytics. Understand the real limitations of Excel analytics and the need for Power BI. Come on, let's get to the deep dive classes by attending our live demo session. And here it is. Our live demo session would be on Jan 13th. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. India time, and the next upcoming batch would be on Jan 23rd morning India time. You may choose either morning or evening India time as per your comfort. Let's attend 1 or 2 introduction classes. Let's interact each other. Let's understand more about the course, more about the careful deliverables and the curated course. What you are waiting for? Call us or sign up for the free demo. You see the information on the screen. Either contact number you see the screen or our website sqlschool.com, and see you there in the live demo session. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you.